Following the recent crackdown on doctors linked to the Faridabad Red Fort blast, the Hindutva-led Indian government has now turned its attention towards journalists in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, exposing a widening pattern of targeting professionals under the guise of so-called national security. According to Kashmir Media Service, on November 20, Indian Police State Investigation Agency SIA conducted raids at the Jammu office of the historic Kashmir Times newspaper, and the search reportedly recovered live AK-47 cartridges, pistol rounds and grenade levies. An FIR has been registered, naming the publication's executive editor Anuradha Basin for allegedly indulging in anti-India activities and spreading disaffection. Officials described the action as part of ongoing operations against network allegedly promoting anti-Indian narratives under the guise of journalism, following intelligence inputs. While Basin is expected to be extensively questioned regarding her activities. Analysts further noted that the targeting of journalists mirrors earlier moves against medical professionals, suggesting a systematic effort by the Hindutva regime to suppress dissenting voices and intimidate sectors of society seen which are critical of its policies. Political leaders, including Iltija Mufti, have condemned the action, calling it high-handed and claiming the freedom of expression is being certified under anti-national allegations. Meanwhile, authorities, they emphasize that accountability measures are aimed at safeguarding national security. So the SIA is continuing its investigation, and all recovered materials are being examined to discriminate the extent of potential threats. So the targeting of both doctors and journalists underscores the broader pattern of Hindutva assault on professional and civil society spaces in occupied Kashmir. Analysts further added that the Modi's regime relentless crackdown in the occupied territory exposes the stark reality that reporting facts is criminalized, independent voices are systematically erased, and every attempt at truth-telling is met with intimidation or violence. So from targeting senior journalists to sealing media houses and razing archives, the Indian government is weaponizing security laws to crush dissent and rewrite history. So the authoritarian assault is not about law and order, it is a deliberate strategy to silence Kashmiris, to control the narratives and to consolidate power under occupation, they added.